Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your village and enabling the system. Make sure you have free builders and enough storage for required resources, then open settings and turn on auto upgrade. Once enabled, you must authorize upgrades and let the tool scan available buildings. You will then choose a default priority, defenses first, then troops, then heroes, so it follows your plan. Save the profile immediately because if you switch devices, this profile keeps your priorities intact and prevents accidental mismatches. Once done with basic enablement, configure priorities and constraints so auto-upgrade follows your strategy. You assign weights or labels to defenses, resource buildings, and lab upgrades, and you set constraints like maximum gold or elixir to spend per upgrade and minimum gem reserves. Make sure to block overlapping hero upgrades by reserving their upgrade windows. After configuration, preview the upgrade queue and adjust any items that conflict with clan games or events. Because you now start the auto run and watch the first 1 or 2 cycles to ensure it picks sensible upgrades. Monitor resource consumption and pause the system during major events or clan wars, and manually override any single upgrade when timing matters. If something goes wrong, check basic troubleshooting steps. Confirm permissions remain enabled, inspect the activity log for errors, and verify resource caps aren't too low. If stalled, increasing the caps slightly or resaving the profile usually clears the issue. Then resume and confirm progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.